7 animals that drive our ecosystem. Ever wondered who runs our world? It's not just us. Discover the 7 animals essential for our ecosystem. Meet honeybees, the tireless pollinators. They're the reason we have flowers, fruits, and honey. Next, bats. Night's guardians, they control pests by devouring thousands of insects each night. Behold, earthworms. They're the unseen gardeners, enriching soil for plants to thrive. Then, the wolves. They maintain the balance in food chains, preventing overgrazing and promoting biodiversity. Don't ignore plankton, microscopic yet mighty. They produce half of the world's oxygen. And the mighty elephants, gardeners of forests, shaping landscapes and habitats. Lastly, meet beavers, nature's architects. Their dams create wetlands, home to numerous species. These 7, they're the unsung heroes of our ecosystem. Let's cherish and protect them.